Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to start pepper seeds, but before I get started, and if you like gardening content, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and like this video. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. Going from left to right, your pepper seeds. I'm starting apocalypse pepper today, a paper towel, and a plastic sealable sandwich baggie. Make sure the baggie is labeled with the pepper name and the date you started the seed or seeds. That's it. Take your paper towel and rip off about a quarter piece of it. So about this size right here. Next, wet this quarter piece of paper towel. Make sure it's wet enough that when you squeeze it, a few drops of water come out. Then here's the wet piece of paper towel. Now you want to fold it over a few times, kind of like this. Next, take a few seeds and place them on the paper towel like this. Just kind of space them. Here's how mine look. Now fold it over to cover the seeds, like so. Give it a slight press. Now place the seeds in the paper towel inside the baggie and seal it up and leave a corner open just a little bit to let some air in. The last thing you're going to do is put the baggie on top of your refrigerator. After about 5 days, check to see if your seed or seeds have rooted. If not, close up the baggie and put it back on top of the refrigerator. Start checking on it every other day until it's rooted. If it's rooted, then it's time to pot up the seed or seeds. Subscribe to my channel to see how I pot up the rooted seed and what to do when it's potted up. Take care, everyone.